Let's look at two ways to change our data type in Tableau. In the data pane, each of our fields has a symbol next to it. ABC is a string, a calendar is a date, and there are others as well. If I click on this date and select date time, I've changed ship date from a date to a date time. It's possible that this isn't even a date and you want it to be formatted as a string. You can click string. You can also adjust data types in the data pane. While in the data source pane, you can click on each field type on the columns, change it from ABC to whichever it is. One type of data to watch out for is geographical data. If you want to use something like state on a map, make sure that you have a world symbol. I can add a geographical role to a field by going down to geographical role and choosing what kind of role it should be. And that's two ways to change a data type in Tableau.